Did you know that you can turn your pictures into coloring pages or coloring art? Let me show you how to do that. Guys, welcome back to Drew Tutorial. If you're new, special welcome to you. No, let's dive in. So the website that I want to share with you that can do this is coloringbook.ai. And it is simply amazing. So to create an account is super easy. You just need to go ahead and use your Google account and you'll be able to sign in on the upper right hand side. It will say login or register. You can just sign in with your Gmail or your Apple account. Now once you do that, you can just simply click on the dashboard on the upper right hand side as well, and it's going to take you right over here. So as you can see, I have some pictures that I have done right here, and I'm going to do a quick version of my picture so that you can see how it works. So if you have your images that you want to turn into coloring pages, you can easily go ahead and upload them under the section that says image to coloring pages. Simple click and upload. Find your image that you want to use. I'm going to use a picture of myself here. Once you add that image, all you have to do is scroll down and choose the option to say generate. It will take 2 credits. Keep in mind that when you register, you get 4 credits, guys, and you can just use them to quickly generate. So you can do this out, but if you want to get more credits like myself, you want to go ahead and upgrade to one of those affordable plans that work for you. No, just go ahead and click and generate. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to allow this to do its thing, and I'm going to show you the end result. You saw the picture there, and I'm going to show you what the result looks like. And we can also do a side-by-side comparison to see how well this actually works. And then, of course, you will see that you can quickly download that as well. So let's just wait a bit so that I can show you how it done. Guys, now have a look at that. Look what it has created from my picture. Now I'm going to click on it and show you the details. Now look how really cool that is. No, this is not a coloring page for kids. It's definitely for adult, but the detail is super cool. No, this is the coloring page and this is the original, right? So I think it's really cool, right? And if you want to see a side-by-side comparison, you can really see what it has done, and I think it really did a good job, especially when it comes on to my tattoos and stuff. It's really cool as well. The shirt, the detail is really good. I think it did a really good job. And that's it, guys. If you want to download it as a PNG, you can. If you want to download it as a PDF, you can. But it is really cool. And that's it, guys. That's how to turn your images or your photos into coloring pages. Very easy and very simple.